BI is a powerful analytics tool that allows you to connect to multiple sources of data and create reports and dashboards that you can share across your organization. You can choose to use the Power BI desktop for free to connect to your data and create reports, or you can upgrade to a Power BI Pro license that allows for sharing reports, creating interactive dashboards, and scheduling automatic refreshes of your data. Once you have connected to your data, making visualizations is easy. You can just select the fields you want to see, and then you can choose the type of chart you want to use. The ability to make all this without the need of a developer is one of the reasons that Power BI is so popular. Along with basic visualizations such as column, line, or pie charts, you can also create maps or cards that show totals, and you can have slicers that help you to filter your data. You can also add in text boxes or pictures such as logos. When working with Power BI, you will find it very similar in capabilities to Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. After creating your reports, you can interact with your data. Selecting a point on any chart or on your slicer will update the other visualizations as well. Dashboards can contain tiles from any of your created reports. Here we see an example of a dashboard that has both receivables and some customer information and some payables information. You can also ask questions about your data, and Power BI will show a list or chart based on your questions. You can change the chart type and pin the new visual to the dashboard. Within the online version and a Pro license, you can also install apps that are pre-designed to work with data sources, such as Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Google Analytics, and MailChimp, among others. These apps are not customizable, but they do provide a lot of visualizations and allow you to ask questions about your data, similar to dashboards. Power BI can seem overwhelming when you first look at it, but once you learn a few tricks and start working with the system, you will see how powerful your data can become.